Well, you may be surprised to learn the most common childhood disease in the U.S. is tooth decay. It's 5 times more prevalent than asthma, 20 times more common than diabetes, and often just as serious. Government statistics show tooth decay in children is on the rise in this country, contributing last year to more than 51 million missed hours of school. We begin today by looking at a problem that is nearly always preventable. Our Bendele visited a program that's helping train a workforce to keep our kids smiling.
Okay, go ahead and touch on your teeth again.
Brushing.
Okay, see how you're just holding it like that?
Flossing.
Well, you can use that at home. Just put your floss in there and you can reach back there.
And smiling are all part of proper dental care. But how do we get today's youth excited about it?
Boy, you look spiffy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, one way is to train tomorrow's dental hygienist on how to work with these tiny patients.
When children come in for the first time to get their teeth cleaned, you want it to be, especially if they're younger, you want it to be a fun visit. You don't want it to be frightening or anything. You want them just to come and learn how to brush their teeth and get their teeth tickled.
Lydia Snyder is the Oklahoma University site coordinator at Tri-County Technology Center in Bartlesville and says the dental hygiene program provides a unique opportunity for both patients and students.
When patients come here, it takes a little bit longer than it would in a typical private practice, but our fees are reduced because they are students and everything they do, we check.
Something 3-year-old Trinity Brown doesn't quite understand, but for her first visit, she seems to be having a good time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Are you excited about getting your teeth cleaned?
Yeah.
Trinity's mother, Meghan Brown, says she likes the affordability, but also the care that comes with it.
They are very thorough. They check everything. And when I came to get my cleaning done, I mean, they checked for like cancer in my throat, and they were very thorough. My teeth have not always been the greatest, and I've had to have a lot of work done on them. So I want to teach her that it's very important to keep her teeth clean.
As for the student assigned to Trinity, she couldn't ask for a better patient.
Okay. Will you have you open real big for me? And I'm going to take a look inside.
Senior Melissa Smith.
Oh, she was a ball. 3-year-olds aren't usually as cooperative as she was, and she did excellent. She was really excited about it. Of course, we saw her a little bit earlier with the mother. She was in with the mother, and we kind of knew she would be okay with it.
Melissa says there is a noticeable difference between working with an adult and a child.
It can be a little tricky, especially if you haven't had the exposure to the kids. If you didn't grow up with a lot of children, you got to really kind of work at managing them and getting them through the appointment. But our kids have always been really good here at the clinic. It's kind of exciting with all the kids being there that puts them in the mood to get their teeth cleaned.
Instructors follow each student to make sure the checkup is done correctly.
Right, she's kind of a class 1, class 2. She's kind of a class 2 on this side.
And that the parents understand the importance of oral health care.
And if you take care of your mouth, then you have a lot better chance to be healthy in your overall body.
An important message for parents and a fun experience for all involved.
Bye.
So, Brian, these checkups are at a reduced cost.
Well, it is pretty remarkable, Rob. You're looking at a child's exam with x-rays included for roughly around $25. Now, you go to a dentist and set up the same exam, you're looking at $100 to $150.
Now, you were in Bartlesville. Are there other locations around the state that offer these reduced clinics?
There are other technology centers across the state that are under the same program. You have Southern Technology in Ardmore, you have Western Technology Center in Weatherford, and they're all under the OU Dental Hygiene Program.